Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be creating our sales page. So we already know that we shouldn't run our ads to this home page, even though it's so beautiful and we want our customers to come and see it, but we can't run our ads here. We need to create a sales page so that we'll be able to channel our traffic to the sales page and actually make a sale on the page. Look at this sales page here. We sold this particular watch with this home page. Let's look at how it looks on the mobile. This is the mobile view of the sales page. You can see it looks so good, so detailed and focused. We are trying to focus our customers' attention to just the product, and then you can see everything about this sales page is screaming buy, buy, buy. Of course, everything you need to know about the product is here, and we are just talking about that one product, not two other products. No distraction, just focusing the customer's attention to only one product. As you can see, if you happen to be the customer that lands on this page, you are definitely going to buy. So here we'll have the testimony and a lot of things. Then here we'll have the order form. We are still going to look at how to create an order form. I'm going to do it in the next, I think after the thank you page, then I'll do order form. So we'll put our order form here. They can fill the form here. They can submit their form, and it's going to lead them to a thank you page. And then this is the footer. So you see, no link here leads them to another page. Unlike when you come to our home page, there are so many links here. This one can lead them to the store. This one can lead them to other pages. They can even see other products that they like and may want to buy. So a lot of distraction, but here in the home page, there's no distraction. We are just focusing their attention to buying the product. This is amazing. So conversion rate here is definitely going to be higher than when you send them to a home page when you are not a big e-commerce website like Jumia. All right. So we are going to see how this home page, this sales page is made, and we are going to be creating one in this video. To create a sales page, all you have to do is to come to pages, click on pages. It's going to bring you to all pages. Of course, here are all the pages you have on your website. You can delete a page, you can modify a page, like edit any page, or even add a new one. So now we need to add a new page. That page is going to be our sales page. To go, come here and click on add new page. We can also come here by hovering here and then clicking on add new page. I'm going to click on add new page. So it's going to bring us here. We need to give a title to our page. So when you visit this page, you can see that the title is this thing you can see here, this heading, or just like your website title. So you need to give the page a title. What is going to be the name of the page? So we want to sell the i60 smartwatch here. So I'm just going to title it i60 smartwatch. So this is going to be the title of the page. So it's going to be our website name slash this particular page name. Now, this is where the whole thing happens, because you don't want to distract people. You just want your customers to come to your page and they will see no other link, no home page, no shop page, no about us page, no any other page, no contact us page. You don't want them to see any of those things in our website. You just want them to see only what you want them to see on that sales page. It is unlike the other pages, like here on the product page. If you click on this product page, even though it's showing you just this product, but if you see here, you can see you still have this your heading here. See, look at all this heading. So a customer can still be distracted. They can still click on any of this link and it will take them away from this particular sales page. So this is not what we want. We don't want them to see even this footer, nothing. We just want them to see only what we want them to see, right? So we'll come back here. So to achieve that, this is what we're going to do. After putting the name of the page, you need to come down to this block you see here. Click on pages. Make sure it's on pages. Then scroll down to templates. The template you're going to be using, you click on templates and then you see a drop down, click on this default template and you're going to see Elementor canvas. Elementor canvas is going to give you a blank page that has nothing in it, no header, no footer. Click on Elementor, then publish. When you click on publish, then publish again, that page has been published now. You can view that page. Let's view the page and see what it looks like. So this is a new page. You can see this is our website actually, but there is no header. Unlike here, when you look at this other page, even when you come to the home page, you can see the header, you can see the logo, you can see all of these things, you can see products here. But in this particular one, there is nothing. It's an empty blank page. All right. The only thing that will be on this page are the things you put on the page and nothing else. So let's try to put something there. Now we can put our logo. Let's start with our logo. But first we'll have to move to where we can design the page. And you already know we are using Elementor, right? So we use Elementor. Click on Edit with Elementor. Elementor is going to help you to design the page exactly the way you want it. Good. So this is what we have here. Now the first thing we want to have, like this very one, is our logo. So the very first thing we want to have here is our logo, right? Then I'm going to just come here and click on plus. Then we need to add a section. Click on this flexible section to select what you want. Then you want the logo to span through the entire place. Then we're going to choose this one. Then what we want to put here is an image. You come to this plus and select an image, then put it there. What we want to put inside the image is our logo. Then we'll come down here where we have the images. We'll scroll down and look for our logo. I believe we have our logo here. Okay, we did not upload our logo, so we need to go back and get it. So we'll go here, we'll come here to downloads. It should be in our download. Then here is the logo. So I'm just going to scroll down. This is the one I want to use. I'll click on this and then bring it in. Then I'm going to click on select. You can see our logo is right here. But this logo is actually showing that white background and we don't want that. Okay, we can as well make the background white to match the entire space. Okay, so we want this logo to be in the middle, just like this one. We want it in the middle. So now to be able to edit this, I'm going to click on displays, edit container. Now we want this logo to come to the middle, then we just come here on the layout, then you come down to this justify content. I'm going to click on this middle one and then it brings it to the middle. This is amazing. So this is good. You can actually do whatever you like. You can increase the width, you can increase the height, you can change to flex box to grid, you can do a lot of things, a whole lot of things. Okay, you can change the direction of the logo, you can give gap and all these things, additional option, you can also do all these things. So but I think it is okay the way it is. All I want to do is just to change the background now, and I'll click on here because I want the background to be white, since this white space is here and this color is kind of orange. So I'm just going to come to this advance. With this margin we can increase or reduce the margin and the padding and all those things. So these are the margin, everything you can do here. So I want to change the color of the background. I'll go back to style, then you can see background, then I'll just click here to change the color of the background. I can put an image on the background if I want, but what I want is just a color. I'll click on this color palette and then I'll come here and drag this to white. So you see everywhere is now white and our logo is looking good and it's standing out, right? So the next thing, we want to have a text here that says enjoy fast and free shipping, you will pay on delivery, something like that. That's all I need. So I just come here and I'll bring this again. I want it to span through the entire place. Then I'll come here, I'll add this. Then what is that? I want to add a text. So I'll just copy this header and I'll put it here. All I want to say is just enjoy free delivery and you'll pay on delivery. Great. So this is all I want to have here. Enjoy. So I want to call enjoy fast and free delivery. So the delivery, free delivery is a keyword here. I want it to be red. I'll just come here and I'll go to style and I'll click on this text color and change it to red. Okay, so this one cannot actually change some. So everything, once I effect any changes, it's going to affect all of them. So I cannot use this header. I have to go and look for editor, text editor. Look at it, text editor. We'll bring our text editor here. So we'll just drop it here. We want to put this text there, right? So we'll copy the text. Then we want to put it here. And we'll just put it here. So now we don't need this one. We are going to remove it. We'll delete this one. Then this becomes, so here we want to have that text that says free delivery, enjoy fast delivery, and you're paying on delivery. So I am just going to put add a section flex box, and I'm going to use this one. Here I want to add click on this plus, then I want to add text editor. I'll put my text editor here, then I have to put the text here. Enjoy fast and free delivery, you will pay on delivery. Good. Then I want to have it in the center. First, let's increase the size. Then I'm just going to click on this center here. Then that brings it to the center. Then next, I want to increase the size. I'll come to this place. Then I'll go to typography. Of course, I'll just increase the size here. I think 25 is big enough. So I'll leave it at 25. I can make it bold. However I want it in the styling, I can come to style and make it normal however I want. Then I want to increase the weight. I'll increase it to maybe 400. I can also change the entire text color if I want. Then, but here I want to just color only the free delivery to be red. So I'm just going to come here, highlight only this free delivery. Then I'll come to color here and change it to red. Great. You can see it has changed to red. If you want to make it red, then good. I also want to make this pay on delivery red. Great. So we have it the way we want it. Then we want to make it bold. We'll just come here, we'll highlight everything, then we'll make it bold. This is amazing. And I think it's okay like this. Maybe we also want to color the background, because this place will have it's looking good if we have it as this background so that it can stand out. All right, then we are going to just highlight this one, then go to the background. You can see we can come here, then we can see background. I'll click on this color. I can also use a picture, but I want to make a color. Then I'll just come here, and I think this is okay. This is fine. So now the red, we'll have to change this red to white. Okay, so go back to this place. We'll click here to go back to this place. You just click any side you want to go back to. So I think we want to make this one white since the background is now red. So we'll just make it white. Good. Then we also do the same here, make it white. Then these other ones, we want to make them black. Great. And this one should be black as well. So this is looking good, guys. The next thing, we want to bring in the picture. All right, so I'll just add another one, then use this one. We'll bring in an image. So we'll go back to this global, add elements, then we'll bring in image. And then I want to click here to get the image. Then I'll come here, go to my download. and this is the image I want to bring in. So now the image is already in. I'll just click on select, and here is my image. Then this one, you can see we want to have this on the center. Let's look at this one and see how this is aligned. So we want to have it in the center and not just on the top here. So I'm just going to highlight it. Then I'm going to go to advanced. Then you can see margin. If I increase the margin, it will increase. If I reduce the margin, it's going to reduce. All right, so but we just want to reduce only the bottom because the top is okay. Then I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to uncheck this link, because if I leave it checked, the both side, both the left, the top, the right, the left, all of them will be adjusting according to the number I put here. So but I just want to effect this on the bottom. I want to push the bottom up a little. Then I'll uncheck this. Then I'll now negative the margin, the bottom, until I'm okay with the way it is. I think it's fine like this. This is okay at 30. Let's leave it at 30. So this is good. Let's check it out on mobile. I'll click on the mobile view. I think it's okay. It's not bad. Maybe on the mobile, I want to reduce the text because I don't want the text to be too large. Then I'll come to typography. I'll reduce it from 25. I think it's okay. Okay, it's fine like this. So 19 is okay, or let me say 20. 20 is okay on mobile, and everything is looking good. We'll come back to desktop. So the next part we want to put is, if you see this thing, you're going to see that the two of them are in one section. This is two section in one section. So we're going to put this image in one section and this write up in one section, right? So let's get to that. So since we want to have two sections, you can have as many sections as you want. Then I'm just going to click here and I'll click on two equal sections. So you can see I have two sections here. We're going to put the image here and the text here. So here I'm going to drag the image. I'll come to a new element. Then I'm going to put my image here so that I can put that image. I'll just download it because it's not in my system. I'll pick it up from here. So the image has been inserted here. I'll just click on select. So here we'll have the image. Then here we want to create the text. So I'm just going to put the text element. Let's see how the text looks. This is the text. I want to have this one first. So this is called fancy text. So I'll just come here and I'll put fancy text. I'll search for fancy text. You can see fancy text is here. I'll just drag it and put here, and then it is here. I'll just click on it to edit it. So here are all these text. Maybe you want to say here, you want to say this is the promo. So the first string, that's the first thing that types. Maybe you want to say promo. This is the promo. Then change it to promo. Then maybe the second one, you want it to say this is the deal, something like that, just make it make sense. Then this last one, you want to say this is the best sales, something like that. Best sales. I know what I'm saying doesn't make sense, but then this last part, whatever I want to be here, you can say maybe shop now, something like that, or don't miss out. You can just say don't miss out. So most of the time, before you start designing your sales page, like you already know how you want it to look or something, or you have it just like I have a template here that I'm following, something like that. But sometimes you can also design it straight from your head, whatever makes sense, but make sure your template is very nice and engaging. All right. So the next thing, we want to put that list here, icon list. It's called icon list. So you just come here again and search for icon list, it's going to give you that this is the icon list here. Then if you put it here, no, we don't want it to be here. You want it to be here in the middle. So bring it back, icon list, then we'll just keep it here. So this icon list is whatever you put here, it's just going to list out the things you want to list out. So this first one, maybe you want to list out the content of that thing. I want to say it contains two watches. Then here I want to say that's the first one you can see. Then the second one is this one. I want to say it contains 7 straps. Great. Then you can see that the icon list, the icon type, like the icon has changed. So I want to maintain this this check. So instead of this one, I'll just come to icon library. It's going to bring me to the library where we'll have a lot of icons. So I'm just going to search for check, and you can see check. Then I'll click on it and then I'll insert. It's now the same. Then this third one, maybe I want to say something like free delivery or AirPods Pro. Yeah, good. The same thing, I'll do the same thing. I'll go to icon list, then I'll search for whichever one I want to use. Check. I'll just insert it. And it's the same now. So you can list all the things. To add a new one, you just click on his add new. You can see the new one is here now. So I can say maybe I can say leather strap or free delivery, something like that. So this is looking good. So I want to style it. I'll start by changing the background. So here, if you look at this section, click on this section, it's going to select the entire section. Then I want to change the background color. I'll come to this style. You can see background. Click here on the background and change the color. So I want it to be here. Then I'll just come here a bit. I want it to be really light. Great. So this is good. This is so good. Then I want to style this one. I'll click on this one. I can change the styling. I can even look here. If I click here, if I click here, it can be inline, but I want it to be listed like this. Then I'll come to style. I want to increase the spacing. You see, the spacing has increased a bit. Then I want to, you can add a divider also. You can see this line, just like the way we have it here. You can see the lines. Then I think this is looking good. Then I can decide to bring them to the middle, but I think they're okay here. Then the icons, we don't want to, the icons are very okay. The text, you can also change the text colors. We want them to be black, then we'll bring it to be black, the icon colors. Then we'll come back to content. Everything here is okay. Then we can come to advanced because we want to push this thing down. We want it to come down a bit. Then we just come to margin. I'll check this one. Then on the top, you can see we can increase the margin to bring them down. We'll bring them down to wherever we want them. Maybe you can leave it at 90 or even 100. So this is good. So this is how it looks now. We can make our text bolder. We can just do whatever we want to do, however we want to do it. We can even color this one and all that. So let's look at the next thing. So you keep on doing like that. So the next thing, we want to put these two images. We already know how to put these two images. Or let's put this text. So I want to put a text here. I'll just come here and type whatever I want to put there. And this is a text. Then I think it's too big. We'll come to style, come to typography. You can change the font. Maybe we want to change a different font to pop in. Or okay, popping is okay. Then the size is too big, we can reduce the size to maybe just one line. 16 is okay, but we want to color the background. Remember, color the background. Come to style, change the background. Good. So this color here, we can actually just save the color. You can just click on plus to save this color so that next time we can always use it, right? Okay, because you see we used it here. Or let's come here and save this one. Come here, go to this color. This is the color we used. So this is the color. I can just save it. So I can just save it. Maybe call it I can just call it red and create. So instead of coming here to search for the color again, I'll just come here. This is it. Then I'll come to color. I'll I'll just come to color. Then I'll click on this my saved colors. You can see it's already there. The same color with this one. So now we want to change the color of the text to white. So we just change the color of the text to white. Great. So you can make it big or small however you want it. If you want to make it a little bigger, then we can just come to advanced. Now we don't need to unlink because we want to add size to all the three sizes. Then I will increase the margin. This is okay. The next part, we want to bring in those two pictures, these two pictures. Then we'll just come here and click on flexbox. We want two. So both of them will be images. So now you can add anything. You can add video, you can add even a divider, button, whatever. But what we need here is a picture. So I can just duplicate the section. Come to duplicate. Then we can delete this section. Great. You see how we did that? Then we can come here. I'll change this one to full. Make sure it is full. Then I'll import my pictures. I want this picture and this one. Select the two of them. Then they both come in the same time. So this one is ready. I'll push it in. Then this one, I'll do the same thing. I'll select this one and then this. So this is amazing, guys. This is good. So we need to check our mobile view. Make sure your mobile view is okay. So this is good. This is okay. This is fine. Okay, we can click here to make this full. This is full width, which is okay. Okay, everything looks good. Then these are image, and this is fine, guys. So you can do anything you want to do, anyhow you want to do it. So this video is already too long. I'm just going to go ahead and do the complete sales page, and then we'll come back to it.